Ready to unlock the true potential of Wati and build automation workflows that seriously supercharge your customer interactions. First, let's navigate to the automation section in your Wati account. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your available nodes, each representing a specific action like sending a message, setting a variable, or triggering an external API call. To connect to nodes, simply click on the small circle at the bottom of the first node. This is the output connection point. Then, drag your cursor to the small circle at the top of the second node, the input connection point, and release the mouse button. You'll see a line appear, visually linking the two. Now, the flow of your automation is defined. Data or actions will now automatically pass from the first node to the second. Make sure to connect nodes in a way that makes logical sense for your desired workflow. Wati allows for branching pathways as well. You can connect a single node to multiple nodes, allowing for conditional logic in your workflows. For example, you can use a condition node to decide which path to take based on a customer's response. If you need to disconnect a node, just hover over the connecting line and click the disconnect option. You can rearrange your nodes and connections at any time to fine-tune your automation. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Connecting your nodes effectively is the key to building powerful and customized automation sequences in Wati. Start experimenting and see what you can create to improve your customer interactions and streamline your business processes.